Hello everyone, today we'll have a new lesson about ICT as platform for change. Let's talk about the role of ICT in recent history. Throughout recent history, the Philippines have been one of a few nations that demonstrate unity for a call to action or social change. These campaigns for social change would have not been successful if it were not for ICT. For example, the EDSA or People Power Revolution. The People Power Revolution lasted from 1983 to 1986. During a radio broadcast of Radio Veritas, Cardinal Sin encouraged the Filipinos to help end the regime of then President Ferdinand Marcos. A major protest took place along the EDSA from February 22 to 25, 1986, involving 2 million Filipinos from different sectors. This included civilians, political parties, the military, and religious groups. Next is the EDSA DOS. This is also known as the 2001 EDSA Revolution. Happened during January 17 to 21, 2001. It was fueled after 11 prosecutors of the President Joseph Estrada walked out of the impeachment trial. As a result, the crowd in EDSA grew over the course of a few days through text briefings. Next, the Million People March. This is a series of protests that mainly took place in Luneta Park from August 22 to 26, 2013. There were also several demonstrations that happened around key cities in the Philippines and some locations overseas. The organizers and promoters of the Million People March used Facebook and Change.org as their mediums. Another is the Yolanda People Finder. Recent storms in Philippines history gave birth to the People Finder database powered by Google. During Typhoon Yolanda, the People Finder was a vital tool for people across the globe to track the situation of their relatives. This proved to be successful and is now adopted by more organizations to help people track relatives during calamities. The Change.org. Change.org is dubbed as the world's platform for change, where anyone from the online community can create a petition and ask others to sign in it. During the past times, petitions are only done through signing a paper, usually done by a group asking for signatures via travel. Change.org gives access to more people by allowing the online community to affix their digital signatures on petition. Let's proceed to the signing an online petition. First, visit change.org. Then change.org works this way. If this is your first time to use change.org, click sign up or log in with Facebook. Otherwise, just input your login details. You can then start your own petition, but for now, click on any petition you want under pending petitions. Then read the petition's descriptions to see if this petition matters to you. If it is, sign the petition by filling up the information on the right side of the screen. Share the petition on Facebook to promote it. Alternatively, you can check out petitions of your friends on Facebook and then click on those petitions to read about it and sign it. That's all for the discussion of ICT as platform for change. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.